So stop touching your toes if you're over 40 and you have been pulling on your hamstrings to fix your back. You're actually making things worse because you're actually locking your body into a cycle of stiffness. This is called the protective muscle guarding. I'm Paola, Yoga After 40, and for the last 11 years, I've been teaching women and men over 40 to become stronger, more energetic, and physically independent as we age. So to stay vibrant at 52, I fuel my body from the inside out with Forever Vital. It is a 3-in-1 whey protein, collagen, and colostrum to help me lubricate my joints and for muscle resilience. You can grab yours today. I'm gonna leave you guys a link in here to check it out. And today we are replacing the pull with the glide so you can move with confidence and power, that confidence and power that you deserve over 40. So for the next 15 minutes, you're gonna see how you're gonna feel. You're gonna feel amazing because you're gonna feel taller, you're gonna feel more resilient, and I'm gonna help you take on your day without any restriction. So let's begin. We're gonna start in the middle of the mat, taking the legs forward, coming to a seated forward fold. So you can bend the knees. Again, rolling the shoulders back, sitting up tall. And just start pumping those knees. Finding movement. Now we're gonna reach the arms all the way up to the sky. And then on your exhale, I want you to start folding forward. Again, keeping the knees slightly bent. Straight back in here. You can grab your toes. Maybe you have a belt, a yogi strap, or a towel. Keep pumping through the legs. Folding from the hips, so keeping it straight back without forcing anything. You can find movement on your torso. Inhaling and exhaling through the nose. So again, I'm inviting you to just find movement wherever you feel is tight. We're going to be here for 2 more full inhales and exhales. How are we doing? Just find that sweet spot. I really don't want you to be pulling if it's not comfortable. Beautiful job. So now come all the way back to seated. And from here, we're gonna slide the left leg to the right and the right leg to the left. We're gonna take the right knee over the left knee, making sure that both hips are flat on the mat. Now we're gonna take both hands to our feet, rolling the shoulders back. Another option in here is to place, if you have a gap between the knees, you can always place a block. You have the option to stay where you are, or you can slightly or slowly start folding forward. Now come all the way up, and we're gonna take the right leg under and the left leg on top. So whatever leg you had on top before goes under, and just switch it around. So I always like to flex my feet. I feel it more on my hips. Just make sure that your hips are grounded on the mat. Again, find movement in here. Now we come back to center, and now we're gonna take our double pigeon. So for your double pigeon, bend the left leg, and now bend the right leg. We're gonna try to stack the right knee over the left foot and the right foot over the left knee. If there is a gap between your right knee and your left foot, don't worry about it. You can always grab a pillow and place it in between. You can always grab a block, a yoga block, or even books. So whatever you have handy, feel free to grab it. And again, instead of pulling down on the right knee, we're just gonna start flapping that right knee like a wing. So imagine this is your right wing, and we're flapping it. Find the movement. Standing tall or sitting up tall. Do as you please in here. You can find movement on your shoulders if you want to, your neck, wherever your body feels tight this morning or afternoon. Now we're gonna switch sides. So we take the right leg on the bottom, left leg on top. Flex your feet, or at least I like to flex it because I feel it a little bit more on my hips. And again, we just find movement. We're not forcing the body. We're just breathing. Allowing the body to open by itself. Whenever you're ready, we're gonna take the legs to the front of the mat. We're gonna shake them out. Shake, 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 shake. So now we're gonna lay flat on the mat. Bring the knees to the chest. Give ourselves a hug. Now we're coming into a figure four or recline pigeon, taking the right foot on top of the left knee. Find a little bit of movement in here. Rocking side to side. And now we're gonna interlace the hands behind the left leg. So your left leg, on your left leg, I want you to bring your leg up a little bit so your toes are facing your face. And I want you to start pumping your left leg. So pump, pump, pump. Keeping your left leg straight so your femur is straight from the knee to the hip instead of taking the knee all the way towards the chest. You want it to be straight up towards the sky. And just keep pumping the left leg. you can pump all the way down or you can pump up. Maybe you got a full range of motion in here. So just do whatever feels comfortable. So I want you to be more aware of your body instead of being so conscious about the pose, whether the pose looks good or not. Just feel the pose, feel your body, connecting to every tight part of your body, allowing it to open up with your breath, with this pumping mechanism. And now we're gonna release, and we're gonna take the other side, taking the left foot to the right knee, hands behind the right leg, flex the right foot so your right foot is facing towards your face. And now start pumping that right leg. Again, you can go from the bottom halfway up, or from halfway up all the way to this almost a straight leg. Maybe you take a full range of motion. So do what you can today. Maybe next time you do this class again, you'll be able to take a full range of motion. Beautiful job. So now we're gonna release, and we're gonna take both feet to the mat width apart, arms by the side, and now bring the knees in and out. So windshield the legs. So now we're gonna take a bridge pose. So bending the knees, taking your heels as close as you can to your glutes. So extend your arms forward and make sure that your toes, that your fingers are touching your heels. Pressing through the heels, send the hips all the way up. And we're gonna start finding movement in here by bringing the hips back to the mat. And now take them all the way up. Every time you go up, see if you can go up a little bit higher. So engage your glutes. Waking up those glutes. Make sure that you keep hugging the inner thighs together. We're gonna take 3 more in here. Last one. Beautiful job. Now we bring the knees to the chest. We give ourselves one more hug. Rocking side to side. Coming into a spinal twist, we're gonna take the arms by the side, and we're gonna release both knees towards the right, looking over the left shoulder. Maybe you take your right hand on top of the left leg. Bring the legs all the way up, and now drop both knees towards the left. Gaze over the right shoulder. Whenever you're ready, bring the toes to touch, dropping the knees to the side. Arms by the side, letting the armpits breathe. Take a moment to let it go. Feeling the difference in your body when you first step into your mat. feeling how more open, more flexible, and more confident you feel in your own body. Now remember, if you want to keep practicing with me, you can practice with me anywhere, anytime. I have over 200 classes, all different lengths, all different styles, powered by AI, so you can upload a picture or a video of your practice, and AI will give you instant real-time feedback, letting you know what to improve if there's anything to improve. I'm gonna leave you guys the link right here for you to check it out, and I hope to see you guys in the next class. Have a beautiful and wonderful day wherever you are. God bless.